This is a final video to fix I2C hid device error code 12. If you want to permanently fix I2C hid device error code 12, this is the only video you need. You're staring at that dreaded device manager error, right? That red X, that code 12, it's a nightmare, paralyzing your hardware, leaving you completely stuck and frustrated. But don't panic, because today your search ends here. I'm going to walk you through 4 guaranteed methods to obliterate this error and get your devices running smoothly again, instantly. We're talking about forcing your system to recognize and fix this I2C hid device error code 12, no matter how stubborn it seems. Even if the first method doesn't zap it, the next ones are designed to compel your system into submission, ensuring a fix. We're going to make this error disappear for good. So, pause this video right now and follow the exact steps I'm showing you on screen. Don't miss a single click. This is the Rexish way, guaranteed. Let's get this fixed.